were on the sidelines of the AUD NEPAD conference on the working group that is tasked with dealing with a serious issue of fake or counterfeit medicines in South Africa. Lots of experts gathering here, and amongst the things that were considered is a case study. Where can this lessons be learned or drawn from, or what could be done to learn from those who have already gone ahead to do this in other countries? And Nigeria was a big case study. Doc, thank you so much for talking to us, and we're happy that you were able to just give us a sense of how these things can be done, right? We hear saying the rest of the continent is tackling the same issues about counterfeit or fake medicines and so on, and you gave a presentation that shows that a lot has been done already in Nigeria. Talk to me first about the regulatory environment there. What was done there that would strengthen the laws, in so to speak, to be able to push back on this issue of counterfeit medicines?
Thank you very much, Prof. It's good to have me here. I want to let you know that it has been a journey. It's not a one-day job that we just get there. Not at all. So we've built on over the years to get to where we are. And some of the things that we're just letting you know are some of the things that we have done. A lot too were on, I couldn't actually make them known to you. So when we are talking of the regulatory environment, everybody in Nigeria can attest to the fact that yes, when we had Professor Dora Akunyili as the DG NAFDAC, a lot of things were done. A lot of buildings were put into place. And we have built on since then. And coming to the present DG NAFDAC, Professor Mojisola Christian Adeyeye, who is a very strong leader, she's an example to be emulated by any country. She has a very strong heart, and her working ability is also very strong. So she makes everybody to see that the regulatory environment is not business as usual. It has to be impactful on the society, on the people. They have to feel what we are doing. And that's why, she's quite strong on that. And that has led us into different innovations and different steps that we have taken.
Give me an example of
something
that could stand out.
Is the regulatory regulations that we have met, because we needed the law establishing NAFDAC, which is NCAP N1 LFN 2004, is not sufficient, to when you get to court. It's not sufficient for you to nail somebody. But now we had to give it a bite. By coming up with regulations on GMP, regulations on GSDP, that's good storage distribution practice. Regulations on different aspects, so that when you get to court, everything is clear and the violations are clearly spelled.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And has this already shown some results in pushing back the frontiers of these counterfeit medicines, in your view?
Certainly. A number of people have actually been sentenced already. A lot of companies have already been blacklisted, that they can no longer import into the country, or from wherever they are, they can't export into the country. And we have certain facilities, manufacturing facilities, that had to be closed down. So the effects, the impacts are already there, felt everywhere.
Tell me,
and the manufacturers, the local manufacturers also now know that it's not business as usual. You can't just manufacture anything, send out there, because certainly the processes of NAFDAC will catch up with you.
Exactly there. Talk to me about traceability. Right?
Okay.
You spend a lot of time on that. What is that about?
Yes, traceability is very, very interesting. Like I said, GS1 is GS1 technology that we embrace. And what it means here is that NAFDAC has a database of every product that is produced and sent into the market.
Yes.
So, and each product has a specific number, a serial number. That number is not, it's just like your telephone number. The mine number cannot be your number.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, and my number is unique to me internationally, anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
So likewise, so for that pack, that number is unique to that pack anywhere in the world.
So how does that stop people who would fake the medicine? Because they'll probably just fake even that number.
Okay, very good. So the point here is that as this product travel through the supply chain, at first the company, the manufacturer, commission it into the system. It's commissioned into the system and into the database. So as it travels down to the supply chain and it is being scanned at different points, the records is on the database.
Yeah.
And at the database, you can tell at any particular point in time where that particular pack is. You can tell.
That's quite sophisticated.
Very sophisticated.
Yeah.
And that's why we gave you
an
example.
So if you come up with a counterfeit medicine and you try and sell it,
you try to scan, if you try to scan that product, and the product is not in the database, there is a signal at the database
that is sent to a central place.
Yes, with specific coordinates of where that thing happened. Okay. Where that scanning takes place.
And this is in place. This is working already.
It's in place, working already. Though we have not covered all products.
Yeah.
But we've covered a number of products, and these products include the ATM products.
Okay.
As well as narcotics. Anywhere narcotics, you touch it anywhere, it is recorded there.
Yeah.
So right at the database, somebody at the database can alert my office. That's the post-marketing directorate. And the post-marketing directorate has offices nationwide. So we alert the office where this alert came from. And they go straight to that point.
This sounds really, really very good. And finally, is this linked to the whole issue of digitization, or is there another project related to digitization?
Digitization is we're talking of every aspect of regulatory that has to be digitized.
Yeah.
But all this digitization has to be also linked.
Yeah.
If they are not linked, then it's not good enough. They have to be linked because there is an aspect in the regulatory information management system where you have analytics giving you all the impacts and whatever that happens, as within the system. So, and when you visit that, you can see the details of what exactly is happening there. So, this digitization means that technology is involved in every aspect of regulatory, and all the technology are also linked, to give it the desired meaning and desired decisions that need to be made based on evidence.
Wonderful. Parting shot in 30 seconds, what should therefore the AU NEPA do, right, to emulate what Nigeria has done?
What AU needs to do is technology that can help us.
Okay.
Technology can connect all of us, all the countries, and we can see what is happening everywhere.
Absolutely.
So, and all these people sending counterfeit products for us, especially from Asia, we can stop them.
Yeah.
Because if you are aware, I'm aware, everybody's aware, then it can come in.
Wonderful.
But as long as they discover that it's like a dark place, you don't know what is happening here, you don't know what is happening here, they keep sending
take advantage of that. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
We all have to put our acts together and ensure that we press forth this action that we're taking until we get to that point.
Thank you very much, Doc.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate your time.
I appreciate you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.